Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom with 26,117 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a TBR exhaust, a Saddleman seat, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Rockford Fosgate saddlebag lid speakers, handlebar risers, a Clockworks windshield, aftermarket grips, smoke turn signals, LED headlights, headlight visor, a primary cover, rider foot pegs, a custom painted front fender, and docking hardware. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 100 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 225 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.1 inch seat height and an 817-pound dry weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the fuel tank, paint chips on the rear fender, paint chips on the saddlebag, and scrapes and scratches and chips on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the Program and Warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.